I'm gonna take some video of you guys on your rink. Now what they have set up here. Trail from up to the house. Penalty shot before. The wood stove over there. The wood stove going. It's your celebration, is it? Evan, go take a shot and show me your best celebration. What? Evan, go score a goal and show me your best celebration. See what you got. You go first, Elliot. Whoa. Oh, nice one. Let's see yours, Elliot. Oh, you're going to ride the stick. Uh-oh. What, because you hurt your butt?